Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis Loren. I'm sharing how I use organization to live a life that is pretty and productive. If that seems like something you're into, I'd really love if you could subscribe and follow me over on Instagram at the Alexis Loren for more planner and lifestyle content. But let's get into this flip through. So this is the Moterm in the color Cream Croc in pocket rings in the original design. Oh, that was a mouthful, but let's get into it. So on the left, unlike the Versa and a lot of other things, this has a zipper pocket on this side. I don't have anything in here. And then there's this big back pocket, which I also don't have anything in. And then I have some planner cards that I designed, and you'll have to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram for more details of how you can secure these. But yeah, I'll give a little sneak peek. And so this is the leather flyleaf that came with this binder. It doesn't have a pen loop because it's not from the Versa or the Luxe edition, but nonetheless, I really love it. And I just have content cards of repetitive tasks for school, YouTube, and Instagram. I can flash the YouTube one because it's a little easier to pull out and put back in. Yeah, and then this is my first dashboard. All of my inserts are from Peanuts Planner Co. So starting it off, most of them, if not, I'll mention it. Starting it off, though, I have this yearly calendar or year at a glance, and I just purchased the one for 2021, so I'm really excited to set up my planner for the new year. And then this was my word of the year, mindful, and this is a spread that I made. And then I just have a brain dump and an inbox sheet, and if you haven't seen my video, I can link that above. Yeah. And then this is another dashboard. This is another divider, just says diary on it, and I have my last quarter of monthly inserts, and this is what I normally do for them. It's just, a circle with some tombow, normally in the color gray, and then black ink with the events. And I just have the rest of the year. And then I have this dashboard from Elmon Paper Co. That is a freebie. And then I have this yearly pullout with mini months, and I'm just using it to track school dates and when things are due in terms of housing and bills and stuff like that. And then this fold out houses my yearly or monthly highlights rather. And so that, if I was to throw out my daily pages or my weekly pages, or not keep up with them, I still have this to reflect on the year. And been doing this since 2017, and I really, really love it. And then this is my, third dashboard. And then I have this divider that I cut in half because I punched it wrong, but it's really nice because I can pull it out from week to week and see what's underneath. And it just says overview, and then I have my week on one page from Peanuts Planner Co. And I went back to these because I really, really like them. And then I have my today divider, and these are just today on a page inserts. And they're really nice because there's less room, so I'm, feeling even less anxiety about filling them up. And I know that got used. And then this is another divider, and it just says list on it. And I made these inserts, and they just have my planning routine on them broken down, and then also my planner system broken down, or sections rather. And then these are like goal setting pages for me. So beginning of the year, I sat down with each category of my life and wrote down things I wanted to do and things I don't want to do. And it's just very good because I can sort of pull these into, something else you'll see coming up, where I pick one goal and sort of break it down. And normally it's from this list of things. So I think I'll probably keep this around. And then this is another divider. It says personal. And then I just have some notes, which I'm going to skip over. And then some journaling pages. And then this is a freebie from EO Edits. She has her own standalone website. And then it just has an Avery label tab on it. And then I have photos with my friends and some stickers. And then I have a mood and pain log, which I have not been really keeping up with. And then I have a period log, which I haven't been keeping up with. And then a goal, like I said, broken down on the back, where I break it into sub goals. And then I have my exercise tracker. And then getting into this is a cover from Plans Printables. Comes along with another insert. I think it's from Fox and Pip. And I've just sort of printed it in grayscale. And there's a divider in here so I can quickly turn to it. But it just houses my password. So for obvious reasons, I'm going to skip over that. And then you get to my next divider, or dashboard rather, my next divider, which says grind, some artwork that I myself made. And then I have my class schedule and, when my teachers have office hours and stuff like that. Another piece of artwork that I made. And then these are month on one page inserts where each of my classes has a color, so I'm easily able to sort of differentiate what exams or tests or assignments are for what class. And it's good to have this sort of full picture. And yeah, and then these are just dates for final exams and a page full of homework to do. Then this is my socialite tab, and I just have hashtags, some planner YouTube video ideas, and then some content brainstorming and brand ideation. And then this is another divider, just says inspo. This is a printable from Ayumi Plans. And it just says Scorpio AF. My birthday is in November, so I'm a Scorpio, and I really, really love it. And then I just have some goals pages that I did in the beginning of the year, probably like the end of December. If you want a goal setting or how to set up a planner video, please leave me a comment down below or like this video, because I want to get that up. I think other people might benefit from it too. And then I made these pages, and then I just, put 3 to 6 months and what I want to accomplish in that, a year, and then 5 years, and then my lifetime goals of, things like buying a house and, saving $1 million and things like that. And then this just says Girl Gang, and it's another divider. And I just have these context sheets from, I think it's Luxe Planner. It's going to be in the description box, but they're freebies, and she has some other amazing freebies. So please go and check her out. And then I just have this from Peanuts Planner Co. with 2 boxes. And the inserts, these were from Thrive on Plans, the Cornell notes paper, and then these are from SM Plans, if I didn't mention it. And then this dashboard is next, and then I have my finance section with this divider that says Moolah. This is a Annie Plans cover that I just printed. I think it's a collab with, I don't remember, but yeah, it's from her shop. And then I just have a check register with all of my account balances and my savings account balances. And then this 2-column list insert, and I was going to use this for budgeting. It never happened, but I just have those in there just in case. And then I have this divider that says Hustle with another cover, and then this is the actual insert printed on it. And then, these are all the requirements for my degree, like classes or courses to take, and I just check them off when necessary, and then, you know, things for med school. This is not updated, so I have to do that. And then after all that, I have a list of everything that's in my dorm. If something were to happen, or I'm out at the store and I want to, you know what to get, I can just reference this. Or if there's ever an emergency, you know, I sort of can ensure what's in my dorm at any time. And then just the back cover. This is a dashboard or divider that says Loren on it, and so this is just more brand stuff. But normally it's just like a checklist for YouTube. I'm thinking about putting my content planning here, and then I did have this for content planning, but the year's kind of gotten away from all of us with COVID and quarantine and, you know, stuff. And then this is the last divider that says whatever. Another one of those covers that I printed. This is a categorized list insert where I just have, you know, sort of the inserts that I own, a hair appointment tracker, an old shopping list, an old add to planner list, a planner wish list, and then, you know, some random blank paper, and then a little top loading envelope that's plasticky from Filofax, and a stencil in there, and then my last divider or dashboard. Oh my god. And then I have, this has 4 pockets. Unlike the other ones, there's only 3, the other designs. So I just have my routines printed on cards, and then I have the Moterm business card, which I think everybody has seen. And then this is my pen. It is a Unis Gel Signo, I think, with a Pentel Energel 0.3 refill because it fits in here. And yeah, that's it for the planner. But I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and stay subscribed for more surprises as we plan for 2021. Bye, guys.